Hey everyone, it's Anas. In this video I'll be showing you how to do an iPhone X screen replacement fast. And no worries, I'll be linking to all the tools and the parts in the description below for you. And hey, before we get the repair started, I want you to subscribe to this channel. That way you'll get notified every time I release iPhone repair videos like these. Hey everyone, it's Anas from Battery Shack. In this channel we cover everything from batteries to gadget repairs to help you fix your own gadgets and make a better battery decision on your next purchase. If you like this kind of videos, please share, like, subscribe to this channel. Let's get the repair started. Alright guys, let's get the repair started on iPhone X front screen replacement. First step you want to do is you want to take the bottom screws out. So that's the first one here. You can put it to the side and open the next one. Put it right next to it. And guys, this repair should be very easy. All you gotta do is just stick with it. I'll show you everything how to fix it really fast. It's not going to take a long time. Next step we're gonna do is heat up the front screen, just so it lifts up easily because it has a double side tape on it. Now earlier I tried to power off the phone. I couldn't because half of the touchscreen works and then the other half it don't work. See, I can't slide it. So I'm going to use the opener tool here. I'm going to put it between the screen and the frame. And I'm gonna push down. Once I hear it in, I'm gonna lift it up like that. Okay? Then what you wanna do, you wanna use your plastic pry opener tool. So you lift it up like that, and you use this, and you just slide it around the edge of the screen, please. From the side, from the right to the left, to the bottom, just go all around. Slide it. And then you may want to put it on the side again, slide it to the top so it comes out easily. Now next what you want to do is open these screws up, and then the first thing we're going to do is remove the battery cable. So let me show you guys. I'm going to zoom in because this is an important step here I want you guys to see. Alright, I'm going to be using this screwdriver. It's the white shape 0.6 millimeter, and also you can we also have it in the iFixit toolkit, but I'm just going to use this because it's right in front of me and it's faster for you guys to see. So if I'm going to open one, I'm going to put it right there. One next to each other, all the screws next to each other or on top of each other, or however you want to do it, or whatever makes sense for you. Guys, the new screen is very easy to replace. All we gotta do is transfer the front camera and the camera cable with the speaker, and we put it back together, and it should be easy to go. So here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5th screw on the top. And as you see, I'm putting the screws in order. Now here is the last one. Hopefully you can see it. And put it on top of the last one. Then take out the protective shield. Next, the first thing you want to do is remove the battery because we're going to turn it off. So the battery cable, let me show you where is the battery cable. This is the battery cable. So you count, it's the 3rd cable. I believe it's either the 3rd or the 4th, but 1, 2, 3, and that's how you know for sure. But Yep, it was the third one. There you go, it just came off. There's no more power to the phone. Then you can use the same tool again to pry your LCD ribbon cable for the iPhone X. If you can't, if you feel like it's hard, you can use a tweezer, but be very careful. If you don't want to use a tweezer here, you can just pull it up gently. So you got two cables. There was one here and then the other one next to it. So now we're removing the next one. We're done. So the LCD, the iPhone X LCD is out of the board now. It's not connected to any board. And it seems like the customer maybe have changed it somewhere else, but they did not seal it back up properly. Now what you want to do, we got 1, 2, 3 screws here. Is holding the plastic plate here to the back of the glass. So we're gonna use our Y 0.6 millimeter screwdriver and remove the 3 screws out of the back of glass of the Galaxy S. Remove the back of glass of the iPhone X. Hopefully you can see. First one. Second one. And here is your third one. Alright, next what you want to do, you want to heat up a little bit the front of the glass. So just here, you see the part where the screen broke or cracked? Just heat up this cracked area a little bit. Or maybe yours is cracked in the middle or on the side. But for this iPhone, it is cracked on the top, so we're going to heat it up here a little bit. There you go. It already came out. But I'll just show you how you take it out. If it didn't come out easily, if it didn't come out that easy, I'll show you what to do. So I'll just put this back in there. So it was like that. So the first step you would do is remove the speaker, and then you remove the bottom speaker and the sensor with it too. Alright, here's the old glass. This is the old screen replacement, the cracked one, the cracked screen. Now I'm gonna take the new iPhone X screen and take it from the package so we can replace it. Here's a new one. There's nothing in it, no tape, nothing. All you got is the LCD cable, 2 LCD cables. So just like how we took out the speaker and the sensor out of the old screen replacement, now we're gonna put it on the new screen replacement. Guys, just pay attention here. It's very easy actually, and it's very fast. So what you want to do, basically, you want to take your screen, put it on top of the frame a little bit. So why? So it gets closer to the circuit board, so we don't have to stretch this cable here too much. We don't have to stretch it too much. So pay attention to this cable. We're almost done, guys. Stay with me. If you like the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Now you see how I put the speaker in? Now I want to show you. I'm going to zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. This is the max I can do, guys. So on the old one, let me show you here. That's where you hear from. When you talk to people, when you listen to them, that's where the sound comes from. This gap here, your top speaker goes in this hole. So if you want to feel it, you put your finger in there. You'll see a triangle shape. So, and I'll just show you what exactly happening here. This is the speaker right here, and it's going into this piece right there. Okay, See if I can zoom in. I can't zoom in anymore. So maybe you guys can work with me here. Hopefully it's good enough. I hope it's good enough for you guys to see what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna align the speaker to where it's supposed to go and press it down, and then align the gold sensor and press it down and put the plastic piece. Now remember, there was 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. We gotta put these 3 screws back, so when you put the plastic plate on the top with the speaker, make sure you align the holes. Make sure you align it to the holes, so when you put your screws, they go in easily. Now remember, I put it from the right to the left, so I'm gonna start with the first screw right here, which was right here. That's where it belonged. Here you go, the first screw in. Now we're gonna put the second one. The second one is basically in this corner of the screen. Now we're about to put the third screw over here. And after we do that, all we gotta do is connect the iPhone X LCD cables to the circuit board, power the port up and test it, and glue it, and we should be ready to go. But guys, when you do a repair, always keep in mind that your phone will not be water resistant anymore. Just remember, anytime the screen gets opened, your phone will not be water resistant unless you ask the repair shop to seal it for you, to seal it back, to put some kind of glue or maybe a strong double-sided tape so water doesn't go through the edges. But I'm gonna do this for this customer. What I'm going to do is take all the extra double-sided tape that was on the phone from the previous repair. I don't know where she fixed it at, but I can see here black pieces. Okay, on the side. Now just one piece here. Get it out. You don't have to knife to use it. You'll do it like this. Alright guys, we got a little bit more double-sided tape here. The black one, I'm going to take it out. Then there is a little bit more here. And with iPhones, when you replace the iPhone screen, it's much easier than any other phone, because all you gotta do is open the screws out, put the new screen in, glue it, and you'll be ready to go. You don't have to change the glass, nothing. When you do iPhone X screen replacement, it should fix a lot of problems, like if your iPhone cracked or the screen is damaged, or maybe the screen is not responsive, the touch don't work, or the color on the LCD of the iPhone X not showing it properly anymore. Just change the screen and you should be ready to go. So this video here, this repair, it taught you 2 things. So if you ever go on YouTube and type in how to change iPhone X front camera, you'll be able to see it. And how to change the iPhone X screen, this is a repair for you guys. I'm almost done. I'm using the B7000. Yeah, I know. I'm using the B7000 glue here. Okay, remove the battery cable to the side, then we're going to put the LCD cables. Remember, one to the bottom, one to the top. Just press down, and make sure you hear it clicks. Then it should be good to go. Now we're going to power the phone up. There you go, the iPhone is coming on. That should be easy. But now we're gonna put the shields back in there. And then again, I'm gonna start from the first screw.
And guys, if you know somebody that has a broken iPhone 6s screen, I'm sorry guys, if you know somebody that has an iPhone X cracked screen and they need to replace it, please share this video with them or tag them with it. And also please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button just so you don't miss out videos like that in the future, and you'll also get notified. And we're almost done with this repair. We're putting screw number 2 here, and I'm going to put screw number 3. And number 4. And guys, if you're looking for the glue or the screwdrivers or the tweezer or the screen replacement, I'm gonna list all of them in the link below, so just make sure you check it out. Oops, what happened here? Alright. Alright, next step, we're gonna put the screen in. I'm gonna close it up. So what you want to do, you want to put this end first, the top end first, put it in an angle like that, and then hold it. And then once you hold it, push down from the sides. And then we're gonna put the bottom 2 screws now. And I'm gonna put the second screw. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you enjoyed this video about an iPhone X screen replacement, please give it a like. Thank you. All I'm gonna do now is clean the screen up a little bit from the glue like this, then we should be good to go.